In this video, we're going to show you how to replace wiper blades on your Chevy 2500. This is going to be located on the front windshield. Let's get started. Grab the plastic and remove it from the blade. Grab your wiper arm and lift up. We're going to pull up, and then we're going to pull down and remove the wiper. Have the new one close by so you don't have to let go of the arm. Slide it up and into place. Pull back, make sure it's locked on. Gently return the wiper to the glass and repeat the same process for the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.